Frank wasn't here this morning. That's so weird. No.
Này phía thành hay là hết.
So this big rock right here,
Oh,
used to be a part of the ceiling. Water crept in and then cut him down, and then he floated and landed on just 2 points. There and right there. Now we know he fell through water because had it fallen dry, it would have broke wherever it landed. So that gives scientists a bit of evidence as to when they believe it fell. And by a scientist's estimations, they believe this rock fell between 250 and 350 million years ago. Which is like, wow, you know?
Nobody daring to fall in that.
No, there wasn't even mammals back then. To give you some perspective on this, this is older than the T-Rex. This rock has been sitting here longer than the T-Rex, right? Little arms and stuff. T-Rex fossils are 150 million years old. So that means that this thing is older than the T-Rex's life, death, fossilization, and then Jurassic Park 1 through 5 was made. And this thing's been sitting here longer than that, which is crazy to think about. Now when we come up over here, there's going to be a step. This step does not match the ceiling, so you have to duck down.
Cái
Right
here.
here. And you can see where that rock used to be connected.
Ah, yes.
Which is just crazy. Now scientists have estimated that this stone here weighs around 10 tons, which is 20,000 pounds, so bigger than most cars. But because it fell on 2 points, I can move this whole entire rock. So this is 10 tons of rock. Moving. We call it the balance rock. And it's just sitting there balanced on just 2 points. Yep. It's crazy. You have 1 point right there, and then in the back over there somewhere. Which is just crazy to think about.
Because you are very strong.
I eat all my vegetables, yes. It's because I eat my broccoli. So I'm going to pass by, guys, and we're going to leave this way.
How long?
So that tunnel right there, it goes and then it curves to the left and it goes back to where we're going to come through. Yeah, so we're going to go walk around that. Yep. So here's some water right here, and it's going through that little tube and then it goes down that way. And that's the water I was showing you on the map. So, yep, so we're headed to a waterfall right now. Right here are some baby salamanders. You see them in there? Realistically, there's a lot of them. See how many there are?
They check.
Yep, you can see their little tail lines where they've been moving through the mud. It's so cool. Over here, this looks like a city.
City.
And here's our big castle right there. And there is a ridiculous amount of growth above you. And that stuff comes all the way down next to us. So we want to be a little careful coming by from here. This always looks like noodles right here. This is called the cave.
Actually, this look like you know. Have you ever seen like a cow stomach?
Oh yeah, like
it has,
membrane
like,
and stuff.
They call it like the Bible.
Yeah.
Just like that.
I like that better, yeah. We have our Bigfoot bacon strip right here. In case you get really hungry. And I like that this stuff is all white like this. Inside the water, we call those cave pearls or cave popcorn.
Can I drink?
Over here, we used to like drink out of it, so you can, yeah. So here's a bridge, and there's water moving underneath your feet. And this stuff is falling from back way over there. But before we go through here, you'll have to kind of duck down. So we have the hammer here to help you guys if you want to use it. You know, watch your heads. I really like the way this room goes up like this. It's so cool.
Yeah, it's I like it the room.
Right?
Yeah.
It's amazing. I like the color too.
Yeah.
So right here, this is our cave potatoes. And then we have cave carrots
Uh-huh.
and the cave banana right there. He's my favorite, the cave banana. It looks just like one banana.
Yeah,
Now these are really good examples of what they call stalactites and stalagmites. When the two grow together, that's known as a column. And you can see them kind of working themselves. So eventually that's all going to touch together. Which is
You know, this is look like octopus.
Doesn't it? Right
Yeah.
here, this kind of looks like someone's hand with karate chop.
I mean, I'm talking about like from
This right
here
here.
to here.
Yeah, right. All in this stuff right there.
Yeah.
It looks so cool.
wow.
So right here.
Thì bộ anh lùng là
You don't want to
vì là bộ thì phát hát mình tông anh xong là mình tông là lỗi
you
thế
walk straight.
là thực tăng chưa xì cái lạc thực từng thế người ta dần dần vào cái lạc thực từng thế
Okay, the question is, all this water getting down here, and then where they go to?
We're gonna. It's a good question. This is the start of the water in the cave. It goes underneath our feet, under the path, and when we leave today, we'll follow this out the door. So you're gonna see this stuff. We're gonna follow it right out the door. So you're gonna see it. It actually goes down underground and makes a pond in the parking lot down there by where we park at. So that water in the pond is this water right here. Yep. And when it overflows, it goes to the river. So we're 150 feet of rock underground right now. And this line is 600 feet from the door that we started into. So we're at the deepest point now. Even though you've been walking flat, you're walking flat into a big hill. So there's all this extra rock up there. That black stuff is an element known as manganese.
của cái tầng
Manganese is good for you. It's an electrolyte they add to sports drinks and charge you more for that water. This room is called the Fountain of Youth. So they used to give you guys cups and let you drink from here. But nowadays we don't drink out of it anymore, okay? If you drink out of it, I didn't see.
I think this water should be like very clean water.
Oh yeah, that's why it's so clear.